So today we'll be discussing about Printful for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Printful. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time. I'm choosing this one. Continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now it is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Printful for workflows. Here it is installed. Let's just choose that sub account. Here we are on that sub account. Here we have to do is configure Printful for workflows into our automations and builder. Find for app configuration here, and here we have to search for Printful to get it configured. Here is what you need is to find the API key into your Printful account. To do that, so you have to set up your Printful account, and in the API settings, you can find the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here I have already made a Printful account, and here we will be searching for API key, and just choose for Printful API, start building, and from here you can search for token in the navigation bar. And from here you can just create a new token as I have already did. You can just add a new token, the name of that token, your contact email, the expiration date. It can just limit up to 2 years. Also, you can just allow for all of the scopes, and after that it will be creating your token. You can just copy paste that token into your configuration and it will be succeed. After doing so, you can just submit and it will be successfully configured. Now we will be moving forward towards the auto. After doing so, you can just submit, just check on the actions are working correctly or not, whether the integration is successful or not. Let's just create a new workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder, and let's just create a new action. Find for Printful. Here it is. These are the actions that are provided by Printful for workflows, and you can just use these actions into your automations. Let's just create a new file. You can enter the URL of your store, and after that you can enter the store ID and the name of your file you want to create. Here you can enter the store ID and the file name. Save this action. Notes, add some notes, find for custom values, and here it is. You can just add the name. Save this action as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. You can choose any contact to set an example for the moment. Run this test, and now we will be moving forward towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action with the notes are successfully executed now. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.